Look at this question. Here also we need to find acceleration. Find accelerations of two objects. Find accelerations. Okay. So in this question, if you see, there are two objects A and B, and we have to find acceleration. So first we need to find the relation between the acceleration of two objects. So how can we find? From here to here, if we write xp, and from this fixed pulley to this length, if we write xa, then the total length of a string, and this we can write some constant length c. Okay, because this is not going to change. So this is constant length, this height is xb, this is xa. So total length of a string, can be written as c plus 2xb plus xa equal to L. If you differentiate it, it will be 2VB plus VA equal to 0, or 2AB plus AA equal to 0. Okay, so these are the relation between acceleration. So how acceleration of A is dependent on acceleration of B. Okay, you can see acceleration of B. If you take acceleration of B downward A, then acceleration of A must be double of this. If it is going downward with acceleration A, acceleration of A must be double of this. And if it is going downward, the 2 kg block must be going leftward with double of acceleration. So 2A we can write. Okay, so this is the constraint relation. Now we will write forces. So what are the forces? So forces, if you write for block A, so this is mg. So this we write as small m. So small mg. Then we have a tension here. Okay, then we have a normal. Okay, these are the three forces. There is no friction. So for 2 kg block, we have tension, we have mg, and we have normal. So mg and normal are balanced. We need to write only for tension. So we can write tension equal to m into 2a, because acceleration is 2a. So we can write like this. So this is equation 1. Similarly, for 5 kg object, we say for 5 kg object, there is one tension acting here, one tension acting here, two tensions, and there is a weight. Suppose this is called capital M, 5 kg is called capital M. So capital mg is downward. So since this is coming down, we can write it as mg minus capital mg minus 2t equal to capital M into A. So this is equation 2. To solve this, what we can do is equation 2 plus double of equation 1. If you do this, so capital mg and the t and 2t will get cancelled, and we will have ma and double of 2ma. Okay, so A is going to be capital mg divided by capital M plus 4 small m. So capital M is 5, G is 10, capital M is 5, and 4 into small m is 2. Okay, so we are getting 50 by 8 plus 5, 30 meter per second square. Okay, so this much we are getting, and we are getting plus. It means whatever is our assumption for direction of motion, that is correct. So we can say that A is moving leftward, moving right with acceleration 2a. So 2m is double of this. So 2 into 50 by 13. So that is 100 by 30 meter per second square. B is moving down with acceleration 50 by 13 meter per second square. So in this way we can solve for this system.